maybe because of Raksha Bandhan, I'm not sure. Okay. Tell me what we have done in the last class. What we have done. Till how much? What is done in the last class? What do we have done in the last class?
Assignment questions as the specific option in list box.
No. That is assignment. Other than assignment. Topic. Which topic we were
Pop-ups are completed.
Are we done with the child? Yes, sir. The pop-up is completed? Yeah. Done. Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. Next is, did I give you the difference between all these notes? Difference between window handle and get window handle? Did I give you the note? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I know that it's a very long back. I have taken the class almost 3 months back like that. Okay. Since it is an online level, feel like that. Please check it out. Because I'll be working on different batches. Let me know what are the things, which is the last program in check out the program. Okay. Write a script to print all the addresses of the browsers and close all the browsers without using print method. I think that is done. Okay. Write a script to close all the browsers except means close only child browsers. Okay. Yes, sir. Write a script to only this specific browser. Is it done? Write a script to close this specific browser. Is it done? No, sir. For example, if you want to yes, sir, it is done. Done.
Yes, sir, it's done.
Okay, then put a link called authentication form. We'll see that. Sir, you have given one question on that. Write a script to close by using close child browser by using iterator. I will take it up. I will take that. Okay. I will take it up when I start handling tags. I will finish all the pop-ups. Then whenever we handling tags, so on that time I will take it. Let's see. Okay. I will take it. I know that I will take it. Put a link called authentication. What is this? We'll see that. You can see now you cannot see anything without access, without the right access or without the credentials like username and password. You cannot open the application itself. You can open the application, but in the previous examples, or you take any example, any application, you can open it. But if you have right credentials, you can go inside. But here, application only will not open. Okay, for example, Gmail will open. Then you can enter the username, password. That is up to you. Okay, either Gmail or anything, Facebook, application are not open. Okay, here application only will not open. Okay, if you have right credentials, okay, then only will open the application. Or else it will not open the application. Okay, this type of applications they will use it for military purpose, security. Whenever they want to work with any very secure applications, they will use like this kind of things. Okay. Here there is an application. I will give the URL of this application. Username is admin. Password is admin. Both are admin. If I click on sign in button, then only you can see the application home page. Or else home page will not come. It will not show any application home page or anything. Okay, see here. Not login page or whatever it is up to them how they have designed. Okay. Are you guys getting what kind of application they will use this? Okay. They'll use these kind of things in. They will use these kind of things in military purpose, the military applications. Okay. Let me open the Username is admin. Password is also admin. So click on sign in button. See, then only application will try to see this. Now it is reading. Then it will open the application in usernames. See, application is open. Later on, I can click on this. If it is having any login page, it will get login. Okay. So how to handle this? Okay, what kind of pop-up that is? That is called as authentication. Okay, that is called as what? Authentication pop. How to? You cannot. 1 second. Let me show you one more time. Let me show you. What kind of pop-up it is? Authentication pop. What are the characteristics? We'll see. I will show you. What are the characteristics of this pop-up? Let me copy the URL. Okay. See this pop-up. I cannot move this pop-up. I cannot move this pop-up. I cannot inspect also. We cannot inspect also. This pop-up will have two text box along with sign in and cancel. Username and password text box along with sign in and cancel. Okay. This pop-up will have what? Sign in and cancel button along with username and password text box. Okay, these are the characteristics of this pop-up. How to handle this? How to handle? We'll see that. Let me show you. Let me create a class first. Authentication pop-up. Then how to open the browser? I know that since it's a long back, I've taken the class very long back. Tell me how to open the browser. One static block along with system get set property. Okay. 1 second. Let's see. My Eclipse is also system dot set property. Then what is the key and what is the value? Page webdriver dot com dot driver. Webdriver dot com dot driver. Com dot driver. What is the value?
Dot forward slash
dot slash
from dot exe.
Com driver to dx. Driver. Open the browser. Then how to open the browser? This set. First you have to set the web driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver off. Okay, for opening the browser. Driver.get method is equal to what? For enter the URL. What is the URL? URL is this, the URL. If I execute this, let me close it. If I execute this code, okay, it will ask you enter the username and password. But how to enter the username and password? it is not alert pop-up, it is authentication. Okay, so I will sign in and cancel. So how to handle this kind of things? Okay. We'll see that. See, are we getting this pop-up? Now how to type? I want to type, but I want to type here also. Okay, admin, I want to type. How to type it? Okay, how to type it? Let me show you. In the how to handle this kind of office, I will type username, that is admin, then separated by colon. Again admin. Username is also admin, password is also admin. So I will type username followed by colon password. Okay, then enter it. Okay, if I execute this, it will type the username in the back end of the it will type it. Okay, whenever it is sending the request now for the URL, entering the URL on that time only it will type. Okay, you cannot see it, okay, but it will type it. Okay, so that now you will not get that pop-up itself. You can see the application open. How to handle this? By sending username and password in the get method along with the URL. Okay, by sending username and password in the URL itself for get method. This is how we're going to handle authentication. See, open the browser, enter the URL, done. See, application is open. Are we getting the pop-up now? No. Application is open. Okay, this is how we're going to handle authentication. I will repeat this, don't worry. One more time. Okay, take note. So if username and password is different, then automatically we can do like this only. Same thing. See, I'll assume that username is admin, password is manager. I will type manager. Okay. After double slash, okay. First one is the username. After colon, whatever you give it as password. Till where? Until it finds under. I will explain this. Don't worry. Okay, take note this first. Authentication pop-up. They will give you have to send the username and password. Okay? Actually, it is admin. Everyone checking. It's not okay. It is not manager. You just make one line, and make it as admin. It is admin. Okay, this is username. Okay, this one is password. Okay, how to handle this kind of pop-up? Okay, we are going to handle this pop-up by using by sending the username and password. Okay, by sending username and password along with the URL inside it. By sending the username and password like this, along with the URL, okay, along with the URL inside the get, we're going to handle this. Okay, it will type it. In the back end only, it will type it. You cannot see it like in send case how it will type or not like the back end will type. Here, after double slash, whatever you type it, username till colon. Till colon, whatever you type it, username is always admin? No, it can be anything. Username can be anything. In this application, okay, it is admin. Okay. After colon, whatever you type is the password till under. Okay, is it always admin? No, it can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. Even it can be your name and password can be something. Okay. This is how we're going to handle what? Authentication. Okay, this is how we're going to handle authentication. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, if you want me to repeat anything, ask. Okay. Let us. Till now we have handled almost all the problems. Okay. No,
is it just like handling the VPN, sir?
You type it in the chat. The voice is breaking. Tell me, is it the same way we are going to handle VPN? No, VPN is entirely different. VPN is an application. It is not a web application. Okay. It is not a pop-up. Okay. It is an application kind of. Okay. VPN and all is an application. This is just a pop-up in the browser. After entering all, you get like this. VPN is one application only. For virtual system or for security purpose, whenever they will ask VPN. Okay. That is the application. If you're getting like this same way, if your VPN is also getting like this on the inside the browser, okay, yes, you can use it for that purpose, for that kind of application. Yes, you can use it. Okay, but VPN application is entirely different. If you web application, they may use VPN may like this also. The pop-up is getting like this, then you can use this. Okay, you can use that. Tell me, guys, are you guys getting? Do you want me to repeat this? Okay. Okay, till now we have added almost 78 pop-ups. Okay, now in the just in one shot, we will see what are the types of pop-up and how to handle it. We'll make it for note. Okay. Take down the notes for this. Put a heading called summary of pop-up. Then take down this alert pop-up. Tell me, how do you handle alert pop-up? By using what? Switch2.alert. By using what? Switch2.alert. By using what? Switch2.alert. How will you handle event division pop-up? By using what? Find element. By using what? Find element. Okay. Driver.find element. How will you handle file upload pop-up? By using send. In send case, browser button dot send. In send case, will pass absolute path of the file. File download pop-up by using what? Robot class. Print pop-up. Also same robot class. Notification pop-up. Browser option class. Okay. By using browser option class in that add-on. Few people are asking me to zoom the word page. Not am I, guys? You can also zoom it, guys. You can also zoom it from your end. In the application also, the right side you can zoom it now. Okay. what is this tab? Handling tabs. What is this tab? I will just give introduction, then I'm going up the class today. Since today it is festival, I'll not do much. Okay. Because few people are absent. Almost 20 people are absent. Okay. Now let us go to favorite application activity. Okay. What is this tabs? Let me open Actidime application. I open Actidime application. Why it is this much slow? 1 second, guys. I don't know. See, I open Actidime application. If I click on, there is one link called Actidime IX. If I click on that link, it will open in new tab. Okay, this is called as tab. How will you handle this tab? Tabs are nothing same way how we are handled by the pop-up. Same way they want to handle this. Same to same, ditto will work. Okay, you have to use what driver or switch to that. In that it is going to take argument. What argument? Will the handle as an argument.
Okay.
Okay. Same way how we are handling child browser pop-up and handling tabs, both are same. Here in Selenium, tab is treated as window only, new window only, or child window only. Okay, tab is treated as window. Okay, how to handle this? Same way how we are handling child browser pop-up, same way we are going to handle tabs. Okay. One second, someone was asking, sir, print pop-up, why I am using Chrome find element and only in 1 second. Once I will clarify your doubt. See here in print pop-up, I am using robot class, right? That is correct. For Chrome browser, okay, you have to use normal driver.find element. I have already told this again once. For an example, I will press Control P. This is Chrome browser. I will press Control P. Okay, if I press Control P, if I press Control P, I will get this pop. Okay, I will get this pop. This pop-up I can inspect. Right click inspect. So if you are able to inspect means what? If you are able to inspect means what? By using normal driver.find elements, you can click. I want to click on this print button, so you can inspect. So by using normal driver.find element, you can click on the print button. Or you can do anything. Shall I inspect this? Yes. Shall I inspect this? Everything you can inspect. If you are able to inspect means, normal driver.find element will work. Okay, that is what I have given. Even I have given the notes. I have given the note for that also. Did I given the note for that? Check it out. For print pop-up. Check it out. You can check it in your notes. I have given the note. Okay. For Firefox, how will you handle for Firefox? How will you handle for Firefox on the same way? Same way by using robot class. For other browsers, we are going to use robot class. Only for Chrome browser, we are going to use what? Find element. Because you can inspect. In Chrome browser, you can inspect. In Firefox browser, you cannot inspect. So for that, you have to use robot class. That is what I am teaching. Okay. Okay. Take down this. Put a link called handling tabs. Take down this. Okay. Take down this. Only one line you take it down. And question also take it. Question and this one you take it down. Tomorrow I will take down and leave for it. Today I'm going to wind up this class. Okay, take down. Okay. take down this much and leave for it. That's it. Student, if you have any doubts, those people can stay here, others can leave for it. Okay. I will repeat. Tomorrow I will start handing tabs tomorrow. I will start. I will start tomorrow handing tabs. Okay. You just make a note of this. Put any called handling tabs, then take it down. Tomorrow it's attend.
How much like you will write the program or no?
No. Don't take the program. Just take on this much. Only question and this take. Tomorrow also I will give this. If you have any doubts, those others can leave for it. After taking this, others can leave for it. If you have any doubts, any facing any issues in Selenium, those people can stay here. Okay. Others can leave for it.
Chelia. Make it do my child.
Open google.com. Go to google.com. Open the Chrome browser. Enter google.com. Okay. Enter google.com. Then after that, okay, press Control V. Okay, press Control V. Okay, you get the print pop-up. Then by using normal driver.find element, you can use. You have to click on this print button. That's click on this print. That was the assignment I need. Okay, only that. Then close the browser. Done. Got it. Others, any doubts?
Sir,
Okay. Yes, tell me. Who is this? Tell me.
sir, actually I want recording, sir. Actually I missed 4 or 5 classes, sir. After expat and before handling pop-up, I missed classes, sir, between these topics. So can you give me recording, sir? I think
This
4 or 5
Conference will
classes.
now be recorded.
Recordings are not in my hand. Okay. Recordings is not in my hand. It is up to management. You can speak with the management. Okay.
Oh,
You can speak with the management. Okay. I have given the number also. Let me give you. Its name is
Yes, sir.
Sagar. You can speak with Sagar.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
You
do you
can
have his number?
No, sir. I don't have any number.
Then yes. You don't have any number. Let me put it in the chat. Once
Okay, okay, sir.
his name is Sagar. Okay. You can speak.
Okay.
Okay, he will update. Ask him to update. Tell the date. He will update the records.
Okay, sir. Okay,
He
sir.
will update.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, one second. Let me give this number.
चलिया
The brain pop-up in google.com, I'm not able.
That's what I will take it. As of now, leave that assignment. Once the frame topic is completed, then you take it. I will tell you. As of now, leave that assignment. Okay. I have given the number. Okay. Once frame topic is completed, I will take up that assignment. Okay. Any other doubts? If you have any other doubts, you can ask.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Please tell me clearly.
Sir, can you explain one
Tell me clearly.
Sir, there is one line like runtime dot git. Sir, runtime dot git, runtime dot exe and bracket beacon was calculator of notepad. Can you explain in one sentence?
Yes. Now I want to open one notepad or calculator, anything, any exe file which is present in Windows. Okay. Anything I want to open it. Okay. So what I will do. Okay. There is a class called runtime. There's a class called runtime. It's a Java class, guys. It's present in Java .lang package. In that, there is one static method called get runtime. Okay, how to call static method by using class. That is what I have done. Now I want to open Notepad. Okay, I want to open Notepad or calculator. How to open manually? I will type it. I can know the resolution or by using command prompt. I will run. Okay, I will give run. Okay, then 1 second. Here, if I type Notepad, it will open Notepad. Same way, if I type calc, if I type calc and go, it will open calculator. 1 second. See, it is open one calculator. If I type calc, same way, if I type Notepad here, okay, it will open Notepad. See, open one Notepad. Same way, okay, means this is how the command prompt, okay, how to open it in the command prompt exe file. If you want to open it, the exe file with the help of command prompt, you have to open this, go to run and open it. This is how manually you do it. Automation. There is a class called runtime. In that, there is a static method called get runtime. You want to open any exe file.
dot exe
exe. Okay, exe. Here, if I pass Notepad, it will open Notepad. Okay, if I pass, okay, if I pass what, for example, if I pass calc, it will open calculate. It is going to throw an exception, I think, IO exception. It is, see, if I execute this code, it will open calculate. say calculator is open. Calculator. Same way, if I pass notepad, it will open notepad. See, notepad is open. Are you guys
Sir,
getting?
yes,
You have
sir.
to remember
Sir,
this step. Mug it up. Try to.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, we can open only notepad and
Sir.
calculator. Sir, we can open only the calculator and
Yes.
note.
Whatever you can open it in run, no. Whatever you can open it in here, run. Anything you can open here also. Okay.
Sir, if I pass notepad class na, should we give an error, not error, sir, exception?
Check
Notepad
it out.
class.
First you open it here. Type it here. First you type it here. Check it out. Okay. Whether it is opening here. If it is not opening here, then also it will not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Getting Priyanka?
Yes, sir, getting. But sir, how can I get to okay for calculator? I have to pass calc like that.
That one you should know. You can search it in Google or anything. Okay. You should know. Means Windows things, yeah. Windows things you should know. Okay. What are the things you can search it? Okay. For everything, whatever things you can put in manually, same.
Okay, sir.
Others, any doubts?
Sir, one more thing is, sir,
Others, any doubts?
sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, key press and key will both methods are present in a robot class only.
Yes. Both are robot class. Robot R equals new robot. And if you press R dot key press and key release, both are non-static method present in robot. Both are non-static method present in robot. Key press and key release, both are present.
Okay, sir. Sir, using robot class, can we press left arrow or right arrow like that?
Everything is there.
Yes, sir.
Key length dot dk underscore plus left. Here, left. You can use left, right. Okay. Do we have arrow kind of thing? Arrow is not just you can search it. Or you just type on search what are the variables available. Or you can just type dk underscore scroll down. Go through it. All these things are the variables. Okay. You can go through it. See, right is also there. Okay. Right is there. Same way up, check up, U is there. You can just type control space. Here, up is there. Okay. Down is like search it. Put dot dk underscore. Okay, then you can.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ask me any doubts. Like if you have any other doubts, others also. If anything is not working, except that one assignment, that Chrome browser print button, it brings up that assignment. Except that one, if you have any doubts. See you guys. Happy Raksha Bandhan. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. See you.